Hey, Gary Guth here with bagpipelessons.net. Today we're talking about the Marquis of Huntley's Highland Fling. This is a Strathspey. Strathspey is a dance tune in 4/4 time. You have four kinds of dance tunes. You have jigs in 6/8, hornpipes in 2/4, Strathspeys in 4/4, and reels in 2/2. And so we're going to talk about the Strathspey form today, and we're going to talk about the rhythm. We're going to analyze the rhythm of this piece because somebody actually wanted to do that. All right, let me grab a pencil. I've got my music, and so I'm just going to move my camera here so you can see what I'm doing. Now here's our tune. I've taken this out of the Scots Guards book. This is number 308 in the Scots Guards. It's in the Strathspey section. All right, so I'm in 4/4 time. The C stands for common time. Common time is 4/4 time. I'm starting with an eighth note in the pickup measure, so that would be we count eighth notes. If you remember my rhythm pattern sheet, eighth notes are counted 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, so a plus would be my sign for the and. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put in the beats, okay? And so again, when you put in the beats into a tune, the first note of a duplet like this is always the number, okay? So this would be 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry, if this is 4. I'm getting ahead of myself. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a four-part Strathspey. Each part is 4 measures, and you get to play each part twice through, as it has the repeat sign here at the end of each part. Okay, so now we're going to fill in the notes in the middle. So starting here, this is 1 because it's a quarter note all by itself. So this is 2. Okay, so all of these duplets have to equal a quarter note. So this is a dotted eighth note, which equals 3/16 notes, and then this is the 4th 16th. So when I have a pattern that looks like this is equal to 2E and then this would be so I put an A there. And the greatest thing about this Strathspey is that all of the duplets are the same. So these are all 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And when you're playing a triplet in the Strathspey, you're not playing them really as triplets. You're playing them like 2/16 followed by an eighth. So we're gonna that if we were doing that, it would be 2 2 1 2 3 4. Let's do the second part while we're at it. Okay, so again, this is and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you notice that the beat 4 at the end, these are eighth notes, because we borrowed an eighth note to create the pickup in each part. Okay, so let's fill in the rest. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now this one is different. So this is the 16th note is first. So this is 4, and then this is equal to eanda. So this is 4e, 4e. I'm putting a little e right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now so here's what we do. The first thing you take your finger and you go like this, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now you see what I'm doing? I'm slurring the to the next number. It's not what you say, it's how you say it. Okay, so if you want to get the right rhythm inflection when you're doing 1, 2, so I'm going and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 en 3, 4. Okay, so this tune goes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4. So I happen to know this tune. Okay, the second part is and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 e 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. See what I'm doing? That's what you have to do. You know, my advice to you, if you truly want to learn how to sight read tunes and you want to produce a lot of tunes, the first thing before I pick up any practice chanter and play this thing, what I would do is I would analyze the rhythm. And the first thing I would do is I would take my finger and I would just follow the symbols. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Sort of like the bouncing ball that we used to have. Well, you probably, if you're, I think you got to be at least 60 to remember follow the bouncing ball. Anyway, so that's what you want to do first. You want to be able to say the syllables and stuff. And then what you should do is clap the beat. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. The question is, how fast does a strathspey go? Well, if you were to stand up and jump up and down, just jump up and down. That's how fast a strathspey goes, because it's usually played for the Highland dancer. And you know, the Highland dance is a vertical dance, so at least the Strathspey is a vertical dance, and so the tempo is determined as to how fast they jump up and down. All right. I hope you enjoyed this. Now your assignment is to go through this piece and finish analyzing the third and the fourth parts. And then what you want to do is you want to practice saying all of this rhythm. And again, the pattern in this particular piece is 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I'm slurring the to the next number. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, it's not what you say, it's how you say it. Okay, this is Gary Guth. Oh, by the way, I'm going to play this tune for you on the Piper's Choice traditional small pipes, which are pitched at A440 in concert pitch. So if you're looking for an instrument, this is a great instrument. It's a poly resin small pipe. It's priced at $4.99 US plus shipping. It's a great instrument if you're looking for something nice and mellow. You know, if you're a bagpiper already and you play funerals and stuff, this is an instrument you could play in the funeral parlor, standing in the corner, your background music while everybody's visiting with each other, and they can still hear it, but you're not blasting them out of the room. Just an idea. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I hope you have a great day.